Your face, your eyes, no one else can compare to your touch and your smile. All the times we have shared and the joy that you brought, we will never forget you, Grandma. Grandma, you were there from the start. So many nights when you would pray for us to live a good life. Oh, Grandma, Grandma, we love you from the bottom of my heart. We love you, Grandma. Oh, te amo, fire, te oe, Grandma. Grandma, we love you. Grandma, we love you and we miss you, and we wish you were here. Oh, now all of these people ask me, is it lonely at the top, or do I find comfort in all the things I've got? Will these cars keep me moving, these planes keep me high? A whole lot of friends, but I barely get by. Talk, things she used to say, things got hard, down on your knees and pray. Then those walls, it's just so simple that we still do all of this, but only in my dreams. I wish, oh, I wish you were here to see the things I've done. Oh, I wish you were here. You would be so proud of your son. I wish you were here to celebrate with me. I wish you were here. But sometimes I wonder why didn't you still be here with me? I would have waited a couple more years for you to see. I'm trying to stay strong. You're holding on. I see you again. But right now, rest in peace. When I get to heaven, first thing you'll say to me, tell me how you see my Latina show. See, I find out where you are, run into your arms, wrap your hands around me, and whisper in my ear, well, I wish you were here to see the things I've done. I wish you were here. You would be so proud of your son. I wish you were here to celebrate with me. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. I wish you were here with me. Oh, Grandma, I wish you were here. It's been about 10 years ago since we lived here. So being back home bring back a lot of memories of our childhood and a lot of memories of Grandma, good and bad. Grandma was really, man, only Samoan grandmas can whip you and still love you at the same time. She would fussy us, and then afterwards she would just, yeah, Sako, Smiley, Smiley. So our names in Samoan. That's how I. It's all, okay, Grandma. What we eating? Say, side me. So we're like, oh, okay. Umay, Failoku, Almoy. We love you too, Grandma. Can't wait to see you in heaven. But we also